What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food gadget and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for this corned beef brisket recipe, all you're gonna need is mustard, apple juice, light brown sugar, black pepper, honey, and of course your corned beef brisket. This is gonna be a beautiful and a delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're gonna start off making our glaze, family. So we're gonna start with 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard. Brown or Dijon mustard is fine. Now, we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Yes. Next, we're gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Then, we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Just like so. Give me a like. Now we're gonna move over to our corned beef brisket. We're gonna go ahead and season it with black pepper. No need to add salt. It's already heavily salted during the curing process. And we're gonna go ahead and smooth that in there, family. Now, we're gonna go ahead and bring this over to our baking dish, and we're gonna add the seasonings that came with our corned beef brisket. Now we're gonna add 12 ounces of apple juice, or a cup and a half, family. And at this moment, we're gonna go ahead and cover it. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna allow this to cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. And until then, quick facts. Who invented corned beef brisket? The British invented the term corned beef in the 17th century to describe the size of the salt crystals used to cure the meat. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, family, and after 3 hours, this is what we're looking at. We're gonna go ahead and turn our ovens up to 450 degrees. We're gonna cook this for another 30 minutes. And at this time, we're gonna go ahead and take our glaze and we're gonna paint our brisket. Yes. We're gonna put our brisket back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And when we bring it back out for the second time, we're gonna go ahead and put another coat of glaze on our brisket. This looks beautiful. Give me a like. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes, family. And essentially, after 3.5 hours, this is what you made. You did this, family. Let's go ahead and cut this up for you guys. Yes. Look how juicy that looks. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings. Until our next food adventure. Peace.